Every day, we're flooded with headlines about our planet. Deforestation in Asia, pollution in Europe, new mining in South America. But these alerts raise critical questions. Is the report credible? What's the real impact? And how does it connect to the bigger picture? The challenge is fragmentation. News is unstructured text. Satellites record physical change. Biodiversity surveys capture ecosystems. None of these sources speak the same language. To answer even a simple question, analysts spend days stitching them together. Slow, error-prone, and reactive. This is where EchoNexus changes the game. Built entirely in BigQuery, it fuses these sources into a single neuro-symbolic system, combining the structured logic of a knowledge graph with the contextual intuition of neural embeddings. We start with GDELT news articles. Instead of just summarizing, Gemini extracts entities, relationships, and precise locations. Each article becomes a structured event in a knowledge graph. Who did what, where, and when with location context extraction. Next, we enrich the graph with verifiable signals. Using the Modus Terra Net Primary Production dataset in BigQuery, we measure annual vegetation productivity, revealing whether areas linked to deforestation or pollution show long-term decline. We then join with Google's Dynamic World dataset to classify dominant land cover, showing whether events happen in cropland, forest, or urban areas. And with the Global Biodiversity Information Facility, we add species richness, highlighting how events overlap with ecosystems on the ground. A headline is no longer just a claim. It's evidence, anchored in measurable reality. Finally, we give the graph intuition. With BigQuery embeddings, entities are represented as vectors of meaning. The system understands that flooding and deluge are similar, while drought is different. This enables semantic search that goes far beyond keywords. The payoff is a powerful question-answering agent. A policymaker can ask, "Show me pollution events in regions with net primary production below 0.02. EchoNexus uses Gemini 2.5 Pro to translate that natural language request into SQL, runs the query inside BigQuery, and combines semantic search for pollution with structured filters on vegetation, land cover, and biodiversity. The results come back instantly, summarized in plain English. EchoNexus is more than a tool. It's an engine for verifiable intelligence. By uniting news, geospatial, and ecological data in a neuro-symbolic framework, it transforms the noise of headlines into the clarity of ground truth.